Welcome back, everybody. I know I've been busy on tour, been traveling for 2 months, but I wanted to bring you some new content. This is Blackstone's new model 1901. The family is super busy and our daughter Hannah is out of town on a church mission trip, so she's my usual camera person. Gonna do this alone, old school today. So I got the tripod here, set this up over the weekend and I did a live stream on it. First thing that blew my mind about this model is it is substantial. It is stout. It does work very well. In fact, I made elk burgers on this last night. Check out this hood here, by the way. The hood has a great hinge design so far. Very impressed with that. Doing a little walk around here. This is a totally integrated. This is brand new. This is a wind guard and heat deflector. So this is built into the frame on each side of the griddle plate. Cool Blackstone logos here. So this works as a heat shield to keep the wind out and to keep the heat trapped underneath the griddle plate. But dual purpose, it also works as a heat shield to keep the heat away from the side shelf. If you watch my live stream, you'll see that I put my arm down on this to show you how forgiving it is and how well the heat shield works. It's amazing. So this is a dual wind guard slash heat shield. Lots of stainless on this unit. So stainless on the top of the hood, stainless on the handle, stainless on the front panel, and completely stainless on this front utility slash spice rack. Let me show you how this works. This clips straight into the front of the frame here, and check it out. Beautiful. Look at that Blackstone logo. We have little inserts here, little holes I guess, and these clip straight in there so you could make this a few different heights, and it's just a perfect place to put your oil bottles and stuff like that. And I found out testing this over the weekend that it works really well. Again, you can put your hand in here, it doesn't melt your bottles or anything like that. So a very cool looking design here, completely stainless. This thing works very well. Everyone loves that orange Blackstone logo, by the way. I still have assembly stickers to remove here, but as I mentioned earlier, huge stout legs on this thing. This thing is robust. You can see we have a brand new tank holding design here. The 20-pound propane tank actually sits down in this recessed area. This is a first, sort of interesting. Has this little heavy wire rod propane tank stabilizer, and so it holds the tank in place when you're moving the cart around, and then you can just fold it down and pull your tank out to exchange it. I'm probably more of a spatula mat kind of guy, but these side shelves have a built-in magnetic tool strip, so if you want to, you can put scrapers or spatulas right there on the side shelves. The side shelves lock in place, but you can pull it up and fold them down if you want to save space or store it. I forgot to mention that this is a 28-inch griddle with 3 burners, 16,000 BTUs on each burner, but this is a very deep 28-inch griddle. It has the same depth as a 36-inch griddle, so it seems way larger than its 28-inch size. You can see the flames through these air vents in the front, and of course it has rear grease management. Somebody posted a comment on my live the other day and they said, you didn't show the grease cup. How do we know how to get rid of the grease? Well, there you go. It's got your rear grease management, just like all the Blackstone griddles. So there you go, Blackstone's model 1901. If you want to watch me seasoning this and talking about it a little more in depth, go to Blackstone's Facebook and check out the live stream from 2 days ago. You'll see me cooking on this really soon as well. I need to get back to the grindstone here. I've got work to do. I've got videos to make and adventures to go on. This is part of Blackstone's culinary collection, but it isn't sold at Lowe's. So just go to Google and type in Blackstone Model 1901 if you want to find out where you can buy it. This thing is gorgeous. Very impressed with it so far, Hey, everybody, make sure you're following me on all the different forms of social media, and I really do appreciate you. Gonna try to get back at it and bring you guys a lot more content, so thanks for your patience. And until next time, this is Todd. Hey, by the way, shout out everybody to the Jersey Boys Barbecue for the cool t-shirt. So until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the food.